Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Today's video is going to be very important for you. So watch the full video without skipping the video. And I am sure today's video contains some valuable cooking tools that are missing in your kitchen and will really surprise you after watching it. The 10 gadgets that I will discuss today are very important in your cooking. Gadgets will save your time and effort in cooking. From digital kitchen scales to vegetable cutting sets, this video contains all the gadgets that are necessary for cooking. List and add which gadget is missing in your kitchen, and feel free to cook in your kitchen without any hassle. So without further delay, let's start the video. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results every time. Can opener. 6-in-1 jar and bottle opener. 8 sizes of circular openings make the jar opener extremely convenient to open small and medium-sized lids, 1 to 3 inches diameter. The hooks on the top can be used to open the large-size lids by breaking the air tightness, and can also be used to open the ring pull cans. Effective and easy to use. The long handle provides sufficient leverage. Rubber lining helps provide a firm grip on the lids, and the indentations on the surface provides for a firm, non-slip grip between your hand. Get the lids off, even the stubborn ones, frustration-free and smoother. Note, it still requires some strength to grip the lids, otherwise it may slip around. Application tip. Steel piece utensil set. Durable, elegant 6-piece stainless steel set seamlessly transitions from kitchen to table. Stainless steel turner is perfect for flipping and transferring. Stainless steel spoon is great for stirring and serving. Stainless steel slotted spoon strains and serves with ease. Stainless steel ladle is ideal for scooping stews and soups. Stainless steel fork steadies roasts and poultry. Stainless steel utensil holder provides convenient, sleek countertop storage. Ice cream scoop. The last ice cream scoop, you'll need genuine heavy-duty tool that is strong and sturdy with no mechanical gimmicks or moving parts that can break. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. Great for other creative kitchen uses as well, including using it to scoop out seeds from melons or filling peppers with stuffing. Works amazingly well for gelato and custard too. Create perfect spheres of ice cream. Cuts through smoothly and effortlessly so that ice cream curls onto itself, making beautiful and well-proportioned scoops for cones, brownies, sundaes, pies, and more. Innovative design saves you time and energy. Unique shape that is the best combination of a scoop and spade to help you easily tackle rock-hard frozen desserts. Curved area of scoop makes brilliant curls while the thin edges help dig out ice cream from the corners of the container so you can enjoy every last tasty bite. The handle even has a notch to lift container lids, which will keep your hands happy. Digital kitchen scale. Digital kitchen scale with food-safe, BPA-free plastic components. Stainless steel platform with wide LCD screen. Weighs up to 11 pounds, 2 grams minimum, up to about 5,000 grams. Displays results in pounds, ounces, grams, fluid ounces, and ml. Tare button for measuring just the food, minus the container weight. Battery operated. 2 AAA batteries included. Product dimensions. 8.3 into 7 into 1.3 inches. Herb stripping. Safe and durable. Herb stripper is made of food-grade 430 stainless steel and safe PP protection cover. Anti-rust and anti-corrosion. 2 mm thick metal will never deformation. Easy to clean, reusable, and eco-friendly. 9 stripper holes. Kitchen herb leaf stripping has 9 holes of different sizes. L*W is 4.8 by 2.7 inches. The diameter is 3 mm for millimeters, 5 mm, 7 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 13 mm, 15 mm, size suit for most of herb and kale. One product could meet your biggest need. Stripping and cut leaf. Herb peeler using 2-in-1 function. Not only could stripper the leaf of the herb, but also could cut big leaves of the plant. Humanized design is convenient to use. Plastic protection covers are safer. Bread knife. Quality construction. Knife is crafted with one-piece high-carbon Japanese steel for easy edge maintenance and long-lasting sharpness. Superior design. Built-to-last ergonomic handle with textured finger points offers a non-slip grip with added comfort, durability, and safety. Best use. The teeth on the wavy edge of the knife's blade easily slice through food's crust or skin without tearing the soft inside. Ideal for slicing bread, angel food cake, meatloaf, fruits, and tomatoes. Easy care. To maximize the performance and longevity of your Mercer knife, carefully wash cutlery by hand after each use with warm water and mild soap. Rinse and dry completely with a soft towel. Do not place in dishwasher or submerge for long periods of time. Mercer Culinary Millennia Series. Innovative features and unparalleled performance to meet the demands of today's professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. Tang provides excellent balance. Pan scraper. 5 PCS for a set. Buy a set to get 5 PCS 2.36 by 2.36 inches sturdy and reusable plastic pan scrapers. Upgrade version. By upgrading the anti-skid fine lines of the pan scraper, the friction is increased, making the product easier to grasp and more ergonomic. The material has been upgraded from PP to ABS, and the weight has increased from 6.8 G to 8.4 G. These scrapers have been tested and proven to be more enduring than most other products on the market. Sturdy material, containing no BPA, the pot scrapers are made by food-graded plastic which is non-toxic, odorless, and environmental. With better resistance to high temperature up to 215 degrees, the plastic pan scrapers can bath in the boiling water. The non-stick surface is easy to clean. Classic pizza wheel. Slice pizza like a pro. Pizza restaurants use a roller cutter like this one. The sharp blade makes a clean cut in any crust and, unlike using a knife, actually presses the crust and toppings together, keeping the toppings on your pizza. Super sharp blade. The wheel is crafted from high-quality, premium 430 stainless steel that will stay sharp and resist rust. It is perfect for slicing pizza, waffles, pies, or cookie dough. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The angled wheel allows optimal comfort and performance when slicing hot pizza straight out of the oven. The built-in finger guard protects your hands from both the blade and the heat. The sleek design of the handle gives it a premium feel as well. The glossy ABS handle features a debossed logo, as well as an ABS chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Dishwasher safe. No more worrying about how to clean stuck food from your pizza cutter. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a thorough full cleanup. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Adjustable mandolin food slicer. Adjustable mandolin slicer. This mandolin slicer has an adjustable blade that allows you to slice different fruits and vegetables with ease. Dishwasher safe. The slicer is made of durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Swap cutting modes. The slicer has a dial that allows you to easily switch between different cutting modes like slicing, dicing, and julienne. Cut-resistant gloves. The slicer comes with one pair of cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands while slicing. Versatile kitchen tool. This mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice a variety of fruits and vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and onions.